In this video, I will show you how to create a membership site using GrooveMember. So all you have to do is go to memberships, and then if it loads, okay, new membership, and here you want to have the name and description, a subdomain. You want to fill all of these informations. So let me fill it and I will get back to you. So now I filled the name, description, and the subdomain, and here you can choose the subdomain, the domain, and I want to choose imscope.online, and the location is the subdomain. The subdomain is, for example, members v2. Let's see if it is available. Yes, it is. Okay, you want to select a business niche. For example, this is an educational membership site, and here you can have a future image. Keep a look on the recommended size is 720 by 405. Okay, you can do this in Canva, but I will just choose any of the images that is inside my library, like you see. And here is the group domination future image. Now I do is select, then here is where you can choose the language, but there is only 2 languages at the moment. Okay, now all I do is create a membership. Okay, like you see, the custom domain is already taken. Please choose another. Okay, let me choose another subdomain, for example, another domain, for example, this domain, and the location is the subdomain and member. Let me create. And here it is. Now all you have to do is just customize your membership, and that is it. Okay, let me customize the membership site. And there is 2 templates at the moment. The Groovable is coming soon, but I cannot choose it. Okay, let me play with this template, which is the Groovy template. There is 3 themes inside: the light, the dark, and the custom. And all you do is click on customize, and here is your customizer. Like you see, it is totally blank. Now what you need to do is, for example, if you can change this theme to dark. I like the dark. It will work with any theme or with any scheme. Okay, then for example, you want to have it at custom, because I want to show you the customizer right here. You can change the header, background color. For example, you want to change it to gray, like so, and you want to change the text color to black, like so. If you go to body and you want to choose a background color, for example, I like, for example, this background color. You can do that, but I will not. I will just select no colors, and the title heading color, which is this heading, or not. I think it is this heading, like you see. Okay, maybe you can change it to, for example, red. It didn't change. So, I think this is the color, the title heading color. Well, I don't know. This should be a background color, but okay, either way, let me have a no color, or let me have it at, for example, let me have it to gray, like so. And the heading color, let me choose the red, and like you see, it is changed right here, but I don't want this kind of red. Let me go and choose this color, and the text color, you want to have it at black if you want to, like you see. Okay, then if you go to the sections, and there is the title, the background color is white. This is a section, by the way. and you can have the heading color listed at red. Yeah, it is changed. Then the text color is black. Okay, and if you go to the footer, you can change the background to gray and the text to black. Okay, the button settings. There is two options in here. This is the button, by the way, and if you can change the color to, for example, red, and the background, the text color is white. It is obviously white. So I think that is it. Now the membership site is customized. The colors are customized. Then what you want to do next is go to navigation. But let me save this information. Now it's saved. If you go to navigation, you can change the navigations right here, but I don't want the about us page, and I don't want the support page, the contact. You can hide them. I only want the home, and in the footer I also don't want all of these informations because I really don't need it. And I think that is it. If you go to logo, you can change the logo from here. Click on choose and just choose the logo right here. For example, if I can scroll down, okay, here is my logo. Select it and select like so, and the footer logo, I will do the same. Here it is. Click on select, and you can change the size of the logo. For example, if I go to the footer and if I can change the size, oh, I'm sorry, I need to save this. And now the logo is changed. You can change the size of the logo, for example, 80 pixels. Click on save, and now your logo is bigger. I will do this in the header also, and click on save like so. Then what you want to do is, if I go to pages, I don't know if I can select a page as a home page. For example, I want to set the contact us page as a home page, but you cannot do this. Okay, I will just turn off or disable it, the about us page and the other pages, because I don't need it, and the terms and conditions, the privacy policy, because I already have these informations inside the portal. Okay, and now I'm creating a membership. So if I go, I think there is nothing else you can do. You can change the template from here, and if you can go to the settings, let it load. You can have your tracking pixels or your Google Search Console pixels or whatever pixel you want, and you can have the SEO title and the SEO description and so on and so forth. You can do this in here. Okay, and also you can change the fave icon, which is pretty cool. The size is 32 by 32, by the way, and you can do that inside the GrooveMember dashboard. I think that is it. Okay, I think I've missed something. If I close this and I want to go to the home page, and obviously you can change this title. For example, welcome to I am Scope membership, and here you can have description. Just double click and just add whatever description you have. Okay, and then you can change. If you click at this image, at this icon, you can change the overlay to, for example, red, like so, and you can edit the image and you can choose whatever image you have. For example, this image, let me select it, and if I go to the overlay again and I want to have this transparent, like so, I think it looks good already, and I think that is it. All you do is just click on save and just exit. What else you can do? You can customize the login page. If you customize it, click on customize. Or guys, there is two themes. I have an idea. Let me go back. Okay, maybe I want to use this theme because there is two columns. The first column, the left column is the login credentials, and the right column is, for example, I want to have a special offer, or I want to promote an affiliate link, or whatever I have. So I want to use this. I will show you an example. I mean, if you go to a site called IMVIP training, if I go to Google and search for, here is the login page. If you see, there is a login and there is a special offer like get instant access to all the training courses, blah 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 blah. Okay, you can do this in GrooveMember. Okay, let me see if I can change this image. Okay, if I click on edit, and you can change obviously this image to whatever you have. I want to remove this image. I want to choose an image which is my logo. Let's hope it works, because I didn't try it before. And now here is the logo, and you can change whatever information you have in here. And unfortunately you cannot. If I remove this overlay, I want to have no color. And if you remove this image and I want to choose another image, for example, let me see what is the size of this image. There is no particular size, so if I choose this image, for example, let me select it and let me save this. Like you see, something is wrong. I need to know what is the size of this area right here, because I want to have a special offer, like I told you. This is not a drag and drop editor, unfortunately, but it will be in the future. Okay, what else? I think that is it. You can change the colors in here, you can change the button color, and so on. So if I go back, what else we can do? If I go back again and go to memberships, this is my membership, and click on manage. You can go to manage courses and you can create a new course, or you can add a course from the library. If I want to add a course from the library, and here is the list of the courses that you have inside your GrooveMember. Okay, but I want to select one of the courses that is in the library, for example these courses, and I want to select them. Like you see, all the courses are live. Then next you want to go back to memberships again, go to manage membership, then go to manage access levels, and here you want to create an access level. For example, create a new access level. The name, for example, this is a free course, and go and click on next. You want to choose one of these courses, for example, the front end. Click on next. And here you can choose whether you want to drip feed them or lock them as an upsell, lock one of the sections as an upsell, or whatever. For example, I want to lock this video as an upsell, lock it with an upsell, and you want to select the upsell in here, but I don't have any upsells at the moment, but you can do that. Okay, you can hide them. You can give them a drip. For example, you can give them access to this video after 1 day of them getting access to this course. I hope you've got the idea. Okay, let me have it at instant and save and next. I think that is it. Now, if I go to memberships again, the most important thing is you want to make your membership live. So if you click on the three dots and publish, and that is it, your membership is live. I hope you've learned something in this video, and I will see you in the next one.